Guys, Travis was a little upset about the cinnamon incident. I think I laughed too much. And well, I hit the doorknob. Yeah, I hit the doorknob. Don't worry. It doesn't hurt as much as it seems.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What the hell do you think you are doing?